So we're on top of the church roof. Hanging out at Las Colinas. Las Colinas 2. Here we come, Sarah.
Okay.
Hi, Sarah.
Hi, Kim.
I'll take a video.
I'm glad you're taking a video.
Yep. Here we are.
Yeah. You see a lot of oceans.
The ocean's over there. Can't really see that way. There, let's see.
All the way out.
That way.
That is the view.
Here's the sunrise. There's our clinic.
Just focusing on that.
Yeah, focusing on that
There's
clinic.
our chickens.
That's
we're
our
gonna,
baby.
We're
We're gonna
see
live.
those chickens over there.
We're gonna live over
Before
there.
Our house is gonna be in that general area.
Because there is some kind of garden there. Maybe we should check.
Or
it
it could really
tree.
be anywhere.
Oh, good. All right.
Banana tree for
And then there's
a banana tree.
Morning.
This is our beautiful rooftop.
Yeah.
We will be able to sit up on that rooftop.
We will. Yeah.
That's true.
And there's the sunrise.
Beautiful. It's going to be our home in a few more years.
Yep. Get a good look.
To get all the array of...
Then we can go again.
Notice all the trees.
All the
Love it here.
trees.
We do love it here.
Alright, see all the trees. And that's pretty much it.
We're just oriented of the way we go.
And so does oriented of the way we go.
We always go
I know. I know, I never feel like we're really going anywhere. Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's going to be a beautiful day.
And then we're going back to freezing.